Identifying and interpreting charts and graphs. Sometimes in science and math, we're presented with charts or graphs that help us interpret data. This particular graph is called Unfavorable Patient Satisfaction Survey Responses. And in this graph, we're supposed to identify and interpret what this data means. However, it's hard to understand some of the data. For an example, the information presented has 3 lines, UCL, CL, and LCL. We notice that the data is only recorded on the CL line, and what would that mean? And we also notice that on that CL line, there are highs and there are lows. And so we want to be able to learn strategies to understand the data presented so that we could use that information and move forward in our science or math problem. Are you ready to learn? Here we go. First step in understanding data in a graph is to identify. On the left of this chart, you can see 4 little steps. Identify any changes, trends, or differences you see in the graph or figure. Draw arrows and write a "what I see" comment for each arrow. Be concise in your comments. These should be just what you can observe. Do not try to explain the meaning at this point. If you look at the graph, there are 3 "what I see" statements. What I see, an upward slope between February and July. I see a peak in July. And then on to the right, it says a downward slope between July and December. When you're looking at graphs or charts, figure out where you can put "what I see" statements. Step 2 means to interpret. For interpreting charts and graphs, we interpret the meaning of each "what I see" comment by writing a "what it means" comment. So you'll see that around every "what I see" statement is a "what it means" comment, and you can find these with the arrows pointing to them. So we take a look at the "what I see" on the left, an upward slope between February and July, and then we write what it means based on the information we're given. It means the average temperature in the city increases between February and July. Continue to look on the graph to find more data about what it means and how it relates to "what I see." So step 2 of the process of looking at charts and graphs is to interpret the "what you see" in each graph. Step in understanding data presented in a graph or chart is to caption. Write a caption for the graph or figure. Start with a topic sentence that describes what the graph or figure shows. Then join each "what I see" comment with its "what it means" comment to make a full sentence. Build a coherent paragraph out of your sentences. If you take a look at this graph, the caption is below the data information. It essentially combines the "what I sees" with the "what it means" and turns it into a paragraph. To review, there are 3 words that will help us be able to understand data presented in a graph. Identify, interpret, caption. Thanks for joining us.